The Azores Islands turned out to be an awesome surprise. Breathtaking scenery, friendly people, and lots of seas. After Hurricane Lorenzo moved near Sao Miguel Island, where Rachel anchored, it was time to sail to Portugal. 800 nautical miles of ocean to cross. After checking the forecast for the next few days and having stocked up with food and water, we sailed away, knowing that the first day would be tough, but the following days would be calmer. Indeed, the first day was fully realized. Winds of 35 knots and 4 to 5 meter waves. But after 24 hours, the sea calmed down, and the following wind carried us to Portugal. A 6-day journey with a full moon, a star-filled sky, and favorable weather conditions. As we got closer to Portugal, there were more big ships to watch out for, and the traffic corridor has to be noticed. AIS is very useful to determine the direction of the vessels and the speed of their movement. After sunset, the loom of the lighthouse was seen in the southwest corner of Portugal. The distance to the marina was now short, and the 800-mile journey ended towards midnight at Marina Portimao.